Begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application has opened, allow yourself a moment to observe the clean interface and various menus available. Knowing your way around this familiar layout is a fundamental step to personalizing your projects with fun elements such as stickers and animated images. After PowerPoint has launched, open the presentation you plan to work on. Locate the file on your device or select it from the recent documents list as you normally would. This presentation will serve as the canvas for your added visual flair. As you wait for the file to load, consider the overall design of your slides and where a decorative element like a sticker might enhance your content. With your presentation now open, navigate to the specific slide that you wish to adorn with a sticker. This step is important because each slide can serve a different purpose, and selecting the right slide ensures that your visual additions support the message you want to convey. Scan through your slide thumbnails, and when you have identified the appropriate location, click on that slide to make it active on the editing screen. To introduce the sticker or any animated image such as a GIF into your slide, you will need to access the built-in sticker and emoji dialog box that Windows offers. To launch this feature, simultaneously press the Windows key and the period key. This keyboard shortcut is particularly useful and works across many applications on your computer. As the combination is pressed, remain attentive to your screen for the appearance of a small dialog box filled with a collection of symbols and images ready for selection. The dialog box that appears is designed to assist users in inserting a variety of visual elements quickly. Once it becomes visible, take a moment to browse the options available. Although the dialog might offer several types of graphical characters and icons, focus on the one that matches the aesthetic you have envisioned for your slide. This interface is intuitively designed to let you scroll through or search for specific stickers, giving you a range of choices to complement your presentation content. After you have selected the appropriate sticker or GIF from the dialog box, the next step is to integrate that visual element into your slide. Carefully click and hold onto the chosen sticker or animated GIF, then drag it directly onto your slide. As you move your cursor, you will see the sticker following the pointer, allowing you to position it exactly where your eye deems it most effective. Once you have found the ideal spot, release the mouse button to drop the sticker in place. At this point, review your slide to ensure that the sticker is appropriately positioned and scaled to fit into your overall design. Minor adjustments in size or placement can make a significant difference in the final presentation look. By following these detailed steps, you can seamlessly enhance your PowerPoint slides with fun and engaging visuals that capture the attention of your audience while maintaining a professional finish.